Hey guys, how you doing? It's me Mohit. Many time we install some apps from Google Play Store to just use them for 1 or 2 times and then we uninstall them because we don't need those apps anymore, right? But what if after some days, months, years we need that app again but we can't able me memorize the name of that app? Definitely, we got so much trouble and install another apps those are similar to their functionality. So, today we're going to find those uninstalled apps from Google Play Store to install and use them again, no matter how much days, months, or year you have installed it. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app in your mobile and follow these steps. Click on your Google account profile picture on the top right corner. So, here we got all those apps which we had installed in your mobile and we can download them again if we want. That's all. So I hope this video might be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.